So welcome to this review of the 2020 math application paper from WACE. Let's have a look what's been going on in it. It's a bog standard exam, 5 minutes reading time, 50 minutes working time for this calculator free section. Students have got a formula sheet for the whole lot. Remember, that looks like this kind of thing here where there's not a lot on it. There's only one page, but there's some useful kind of stuff there. So back to where we were, and that's the cover page, page 2 of the exam. Let me just center it over for us here. So here we go. You can see there are 16 questions all up, 6 on this calc free section, 10 with a calculator. Only 47 marks, which is 35% of the exam, and then 105 for the other 65% of the exam. The sort of main instructions on the second page here are a reminder to candidates not to use erasable or gel pens because the scanning process tends to, it's got the, there's a chance that anything written with an erasable or gel pen, the heat can make it disappear. And also that we've got to show working on questions worth more than 2 marks. But we're just about to have a look at how many questions are actually worth that. So, well, let's go there now. So here we go. Some initial statistics. We'll update these once the TIS summary stats are in. But anyway, for this one, what have we got? This year there were 6 questions, which you can see we've had up to 8 in the calc free section, 10 in the calc assumed, and again, that's fairly normal. So giving us a total of 16, which is where it's been hovering around now for 5 years. The marks, 47 is the lowest we've ever had in the calculator free part of the exam, and 105, which is the most we've ever had in the calc assumed. So giving us a total of 152, which is kind of average there. These are the questions where we've got to show working. So we basically ended up with 111 marks out of the 152 were only worth 1 or 2, which means 73%, which you can see is pretty normal for this exam. And there were no requests to round an answer to any degree of accuracy. So that was totally left up to the students to make that call on this one, but mostly it's money where they're answering to 2 decimal places anyway. So there we go. Let's finish here and get started on the exam on the next screen.